Hey fans, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another cleaning motivational video. I am going to be undecorating my house from fall and getting ready to put up Christmas decor. I am super excited about this, you guys. As you can see, my home is still fallified and I love the way it looks. I almost don't want to take it down. I want to keep it up, but I need to get my Christmas decor up because I am decorating every single room in my house for Christmas this year, and it takes some time. So I need to go ahead and get that going, get all this fall stuff down, and let's get ready to just put Christmas everywhere, right? So I hope that you guys are excited. I hope that you guys are motivated and you guys are ready to clean. Listen, if you still have fall up in your home and you are ready to get Christmas going in your house, join me. Let's clean together. Let's motivate each other. Let's inspire one another to get all our fall things down and get Christmas in, right? So if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know you want to. I really appreciate your love and support. Make sure you hit that bell, double tap it twice so that you receive all of my notifications. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you are excited about this motivational cleaning and if you are ready to get started. All right, guys, let's go ahead, let's get motivated, and let's get cleaning. Okay, so now I am starting in my family room, obviously, and I am just taking all the pics, the 100 million pics that I put in this garland. I'm gonna miss this garland, you guys. It was so fun to do, and it just was so festive. It's probably one of my favorite fall garland, or garland period that I've ever done. So I'm gonna try to do something similar for Christmas, but you know, just kind of tone it down a little bit. But I am so excited, you guys, to be getting all this stuff out of my family room and starting to get Christmas in. I've already started decorating the tree and doing all the things, so I cannot wait for you guys to see that video. It is going to be so much fun, and I am so excited about Christmas. Let me know what theme or style you guys are going for this year for Christmas, and also let me know what are your favorite Christmas traditions.
Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it in two. Long time before I knew us two would follow through. Hold out, don't give it up. Good things can come to those who wait. 'Cause you make me feel like this is for real, and I want you till dreams grow on the moon. If you're a falling star, I wanna fall with you. I want you till it falls out the sun. It's standing up for you. It's standing up for you. It's standing up. Standing up for you. Standing up. Standing up for you. Break down when we're apart. Too far, I'm in the dark. Now don't fold my foolish heart, and don't wait for magic sparks. Make it work, although we get stuck on the low. Breathe out, we can't forget. Hurts like a bayonet. 'Cause you make me feel we're in this for real, and I want it till dreams grow on the moon. If you're a falling star, I wanna fall with you. I want you till it falls out the sun. It's standing up for you. It's standing up.
I am super embarrassed to even show this on camera, but this is real life, right? we do so much in this room, and so there's always food or something going on in the couch, in the sofa. So I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum out every single thing that's in the bottom of this sectional and get it all cleaned out. I tell you, we play hard, we, relax hard. We are in this room 90% of the time. And so, once in a while I have to vacuum out this sectional, but that's okay. It's all about living in our home and having a good time making memories. I'm not so concerned about what gets under the cushions or anything like that. I'm more concerned about making memories with my family and just having a good time and spending quality time together. So that's what we do in our family room. And so I'm just vacuuming it out now, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the cushions right back. So while I am cleaning on the inside, first of all, this was like a very overcast day. So I'm sorry if the video is a little dark in some spots, but we were having a hailstorm, you guys. I have never seen a hailstorm, and I live in the mountains. Okay, and we were having a legit hailstorm, and it was insane. It was crazy, but thank God nobody got hurt or anything like that, and the ice, it all melted in like 20 minutes anyway. But it just was so crazy to see that in the middle of, well, the beginning of November. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys that. So now I'm just over here just cleaning my television because Nyla likes to get her little fingers all over the screen and leave fingerprints and food prints and all type of things. So I'm just cleaning down all the furniture with my furniture polish and getting it all cleaned out.
Long time. Oh, for you. While you still trees grow on the moon. You're a falling star. I wanna follow you. While you till it falls out the sun. Standing up for you. Standing up for you. Standing up. Standing up. Standing up for you.
Y'all see my tree? Oh my gosh, it's Christmas time. I'm so excited. I love my tree. This was a tree that I thrifted last year for $40 at a local thrift store where I live, and I actually had this tree up in my bedroom last year, but I wanted to put it in the family room because I thought it was a little bit too big for my bedroom, and it looks so perfect for this spot, this area. I think every year I'm going to have this tree in this corner. It just looks so good. I am so excited and ready to decorate for fall, you guys, for fall, for Christmas. I cannot wait for you guys to see how everything is looking. It's turning out so lovely.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace.
So I love that the room is so cozy and just plain and simple, kind of just giving it a breather from all the decor and getting it ready and prepped for Christmas. I love how neutral it is and how relaxing it is. It's just so peaceful, you guys, in this space. So we are going to turn our sights now to the foyer and get this thing undecorated. And it was a lot. Like, it didn't even seem like it was a lot, but all the little pumpkins and things and all the little things in the tree. It was quite a bit to put away, but I couldn't find any of my storage bins, which I just don't know where they are. I don't know if they're in the garage or what, but I couldn't find any of them to put them in. So I just had me a garbage bag, a box, and one of the bins that I found in the attic. So that's what I did. And so I took this tree down because my original thought was to use it in the dining room and put it on top of the console, and that completely changed. There's like an idea that I had a couple of days ago, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So let's go ahead and clean this space.
Until tomorrow, wind into myself, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up.
So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you got motivated to clean, and if you actually did clean with me, go ahead and leave a comment down below. There will be a continuation of this video, cleaning my dining room and my kitchen as well, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.
All the way and face that another day. We go bottoms up.